Hello, now it is morning time and I'm walking on the floor and I thought that we should make a video for you because I always want to make video for you, but some causes, because of these causes I cannot make video for you. So today I have time to make video for you and I want to discuss in this video how to make your English easy and how to speak English confidently with anyone. Actually, everyone wants to learn English in this life, in their life, but he always thinks what to do or not to do. But I want to say you that this is the simple things. Start thinking English. Start thinking in English. As you can think, sir, I am ready. You are not ready. I am going to school. Today is holiday. A lots of sentences you can think in English. You can make. This is the daily use sentence which helps you to speak English. So first of all, you should start with small sentences. After that, more if you will have to more practice, automatically you can improve your English in a better way. So this video is very small. By the way, I always make video on whiteboard. So please wait for my next video on the whiteboard where I can discuss some daily use sentences. I hope that you will be healthy and you are enjoying a lot to speak English, to learn English. Thanks a lot. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.